Hello people, so now we want to show how the template works. So there are three important template tags. So these are, first one is this tag, execute prints the statement, and this is an execution tag. So if you want to write an if or if statements, then this tag is used. And then the third one is about the comments tag. So this is a comments tag here. So let us try to set a variable and return variable value. So I'm going to use an execution tag here. So let us set a variable, set x is equals to, let's say this is the variable statement, and let's print this statement, variable x, and to show, let us comment this saying this will print the value of the variable. So let's go and let's check if this statement prints. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna run this command in my Symfony folder, php-s big S 127.0.1.8000-t public, then go to the home, and yes, I can see the statement. This is the variable statement. So yeah, so this is how Twig template works. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.